At UPES On, it's not just about the degree. It's a journey packed with opportunities that drive tomorrow. We offer a comprehensive career orientation session to help you explore various career paths and gain clarity on your aspirations. We bring personalized career mentorship by industry experts guiding you every step of the way. We assist you in crafting a standout resume and provide you with expert guidance to create an impressive LinkedIn profile. And that's not all. We are your partners in interview success with mock interviews and tailored negotiation tips. And guess what? We keep the opportunities flowing by sharing a steady stream of relevant job offers each month. So why wait? Dive into the online programs at UPES On and let our dedicated career counselors guide you towards a future that's fueled by success and drives tomorrow.